Now we have another question from areas. We need to find the area of the region bounded by the three given curves. So let's take coordinate axis. We have y is equals to 0, this is equal to 0, and y equal to x minus 2, which is y minus x minus y equal to 2, x by 2 plus y by minus 2 to 1. Then it should be passing through 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 2. This is the line. So we have a line, we have a y equal to 0. I am left with the curve y is equals to root x, which is a parabola in positive x. Let's assume it to be this way. So now we have drawn all the three curves we are given, and let's find the region which is bounded by these three curves. The first curve y equal to x minus 2, which is this, and the curve we have this and this. So this is the region. So if we observe the shaded region, we have a triangle and another region. So let's assume this is A, this is origin O, this is A, B and C. So the total area required can be divided into two regions. The area covered by OABO, area of OABO plus area of OBC triangle, of area of triangle OBC. So area of triangle OABO. Now we have to find the point A, and point B we already know, which is 2 comma 0. A is intersected by y is equals to root x and y is equals to x minus 2. So x minus 2 is equals to root x. Squaring on both sides would give us x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to x. X square minus 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to 5 plus or minus root over p square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to 5 plus or minus root 9 by 2, 5 plus or minus 3 by 2, 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2, so 4, and 5 minus 3 2 by 2 1. So x equal to 4 and 1. If you observe, x equal to 4 might be this, and x equal to 1, if we extend, this should be the 1. So all we are needed with the 4, with the x value with 4, and when x is equals to 4, we have y is equals to 2. Now let's solve this area in two ways. First, we'll solve it using the x axis, later on with y axis, so that you'll have an idea how to solve other problems too. So area of region covered by OABO, which is integral, if I do it in x axis, integral 0 to 4, area covered by this curve would give me the entire area. Then if I subtract the area covered by this line from 2 to 4, I am left with the only region required. So that is integral 0 to 4 of the parabolic curve root x dx minus integral 2 to 4 of the line, which is x minus 2 dx. Integral of root x is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 from 0 to 4 minus x minus 2 integral x square by 2 minus 2x, which is 2 to 4. Now 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. Now if we put 4 power 3 by 2, 2 cube, which is 8, minus 0 minus 4 square 16 by 2, 8 minus 8, which is 0, minus when we put 2 square 4 by 2 is 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So 8 2s are 16, 16 by 3, 2 minus 4. Okay, you will be confused. Let's write minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 again minus 2. 16 by 3 minus 2. This is the area of OABO, and we also have this triangle whose area is area of triangle OBC, which is half base is 2 OB into height OC is also 2. So area of triangle OBC is 2. The total area is 16 by 3 minus 2, which is of the region OABO, and plus 2 of the triangle. These two cancels, we get 16 by 3. Now if we observe here, we found the area of triangle OABO through this x axis, and if we want, we can also find it through the y axis, and as we seen here, this is 0, 2 is point. So first in this case we find the area under this line, later on subtract the area under this curve, then in the same way we get area of OABO. So let's write area of OABO integral, seeing along y axis 0 to 2, because we have both the curves in the entire region from 0 to 2. First the line, which is y plus 2 dx minus integral 0 to 2 the curve, see x, so this becomes y square for x, this is dy. Now integrating y square by 2 plus 2y from 0 to 2 minus y cube by 3 from 0 to 2. So y square by 2, 4 by 2 is 2 plus 4 minus 2 cube, which is 8 by 3, and the later on term is 0. So 8 minus 8 by 3, which is 24 minus 8 by 3 is 16 by 3. Sorry, this is 6, 18 minus 8 by 3, which is 10 by 3. Now we got the area of triangle OABO. If we find, now we also have the area of the triangle, so adding the area of triangle gives us the total area, which is 10 by 3 plus 2, as we seen from here. So calculating, we get 16 by 3 as the total area, which is the same as this one.